What makes a modified invention a utility patent? Have you ever wondered what it takes for a modified invention to qualify as a utility patent? Let's break down the essential elements that make this happen. A modified invention can earn a utility patent if it meets three key criteria: novelty, non-obviousness, and usefulness. These requirements ensure that even a modification of an existing product or process is genuinely innovative and has practical applications. First, let's talk about novelty. For a modified invention to be considered new, it must not have been previously disclosed or known before the filing date of the patent application. This means that even if you make changes to an existing product, those changes must introduce something that is not already available in prior art. Prior art includes existing patents, publications, or products that are already out there. Next up is non-obviousness. This requirement states that the modification should not be an obvious improvement to someone who is skilled in the relevant technical field. In other words, the change must involve an inventive step that is not immediately clear based on existing knowledge. If the modification is something that anyone could easily think of, it likely will not qualify for a utility patent. Now let's discuss usefulness or utility. This means that the invention must have a specific, credible, and substantial real-world application. It should work for its intended purpose, even if that purpose is simple. The utility must be clearly described or understood from the nature of the invention itself. When applying for a utility patent on a modified invention, the patent claims must clearly define the unique aspects of the modification. These claims should explain how the modification contributes to the invention's novelty and utility. The application needs to show that the modification offers a tangible benefit or improvement over what already exists. For example, consider a modified hammer with a new ergonomic handle design. This hammer could qualify for a utility patent if the handle design is novel, non-obvious, and enhances the tool's function or user experience. Remember, utility patents protect the functional aspects of inventions, not just how they look. From the perspective of patent law, utility patents safeguard the functional innovations of modified inventions. This legal protection allows inventors to secure exclusive rights to their new and useful improvements. It prevents others from making, using, or selling the patented invention without permission for a limited time. In essence, a modified invention becomes a utility patent when it meets the requirements of novelty, non-obviousness, and utility. This demonstrates that the modification is a new and useful functional improvement over existing inventions. Understanding these criteria can help inventors navigate the patent process more effectively.